Buddlejas are shrubby plants that are much loved for their fantastic display of summer flowers. Now the ones here have only just started to bloom, but they produce these long pyramidal shaped conical clusters of small, often sweetly scented flowers. And on some types, these clusters can grow to over a foot long, and because they appear in profusion, they really do look quite spectacular in the summer months. They range in size from quite small plants that are really good for a patio pot to really quite large shrubs that will get to about 3 meters or so tall. They're tough, undemanding, easy to grow, and so that makes them perfect for novice gardeners or people who want a low maintenance garden. The Davidii types, like these ones, have a common name of butterfly bush, and that's because butterflies, bees, and also other pollinating insects are really attracted to their flowers. So where to place these beauties? Well, they like a sunny spot and they like reasonably fertile, freely draining soil. If you're going to grow the smaller ones in a pot, then choose a soil-based compost such as Johninus number 2 or even Johninus number 3. You should keep them relatively well watered during the summer months, but they can be a lot drier in the winter. Finally, these plants produce their flowers on current season's growth, so growth that's started to appear since the early spring. And so to keep the plant looking really at its best, ideally what you should do is cut back each of the stems to a permanent low framework, and ideally that should be done just as the buds are starting to swell in early spring. And once that's done, new growth is going to shoot up very quickly and replace the stems that you've removed.